welcome back to our Rooted Block of the Month program. This month's block is number 7, and let's take a look at what's in your kit. We're going to be stitching the chestnut tree block this month, and first I'm going to show you the wool threads that you're going to be using. I highly recommend that you use the wool threads. They're fantastic for stitching your wool applique in place. So let's talk about it. This is what's left of EN10, which is spring leaf. We have EN33, which is goldenrod. We've got Lagoon, which is EN18. We've got kumquat, EN49, and EN52, which is dark chocolate. Let's take a look at the embellishing thread that you're going to use this month. We've got Eleganza Pearl Cotton. It's EZM29, Your Majesty. EZM01, So Cocoa. We've got EZM72, which is Under the Tree. EZM96, which is Squirrel Tail. We've got EZM108, which is Couch Potato, one of my favorites. And we have EZM92, which is Hoppy Toad. So let me quickly show you the House of Embroidery threads that you're going to use too. So the House of Embroidery threads that you're going to be using, they're size 8. This is Maple. And this is Desert Sand. It's 42B. So let's take a closer quick look at the block. So I'll give you an up close look so you can kind of see what it looks like all stitched up. It's really pretty. And these little blocks are only 5.5 by 6.5 inches in size. So they're quite small. A lot of fun to do. So that is block number 7. I will be back to talk about block number 8.